Today we are going to create this cutout effect in Illustrator. Now select the type tool and write something. Now select the text and drag it here and enlarge this. The font I have taken is Grammar Outline. Now go to Object and Expand. OK. To fill all the faces of this design, we have to select the Quick Shape Builder tool. Let's fill all these areas like this. Now go to Pathfinder tool and click on Combine to create a compound shape. Our shape is ready. Now we can fill a color in it. I'm taking here a shade of maroon color. After this, we have to make a copy of this design by holding Alt key and drag it like this and fill this shape with a white color. Now we have to increase the stroke of this design. Now go to Object, click on Expand. OK. Now again go to Pathfinder tool and click on Combine to create a compound shape. It's better to remove all these unnecessary points. Now select both the designs by holding Shift key and align them horizontally and vertically. Select this white shape and right click on it and send to backward. Select everything and go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow. Change all these settings according to requirement. Click OK. Take a look at this. This drop shadow is looking fair enough. Again go to Pathfinder and click on Divide. Right click here and ungroup. Now we have to rearrange the order of these layers. Now right click on the background layer, arrange and bring to front. See. Now select all these faces. Right click, arrange, send to back. Now select these faces and bring front. It's looking great. Now we have to apply the gradient to all these faces. Delete this gradient point. Select two colors, the maroon one and that light pink. Now press G and drag it like this. That's how you can make this cool effect in Illustrator. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.